Hello everyone, today we are comparing the Nokia 1110 4G second edition and Nokia 105 4G second edition. There is no much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two mobiles come with an IP54 rating. Next, compare the display features. They offer 1.8 inches IPS LCD display. When it comes to the camera features, Nokia 1110 comes with a VGA camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two phones come with the same battery capacities. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.